Good day, everybody. In today's video, we want to discuss on how we can take we can take care of our teeth. So this advice is coming from a dentist. So it's a professional advice from a dentist because this type of video is very important because most times you might even think that the way you are taking care of your teeth is the best way without even knowing that there is some things that you are doing in a wrong way because you are not a professional. So we want to hear from him so to advise us on a proper way we should take care of our tooth. Thank you.
Good day, listener. I greet you. So, based on our today's conversation, it's going to be kind of educative interactions on the proper way we should, what you should do to take care of your tooth, our oral health. Our last video we discussed about some diseases that we can encounter. So today will be kind of the things we should do in order to prevent all those diseases, all those tooth ache or tooth problem of any kind. Then a lot of people out of ignorance, starting from brushing, a lot of people don't know how to brush. I don't know, you see, I will kind of demonstrate practically. You know, we all know this toothbrush. This is toothbrush, and in toothbrush, if you want to buy toothbrush, you check the write up on the toothbrush. You have hard brush, soft brush, and medium brush. Please check it because a lot of people don't know about it. They just, I want to buy brush, they will give the person maybe soft. So, but an adult, what we need is medium brush. Hard brush is for the those people that kind of chain smokers. If you are smoking, it tends to have a strong tooth, a strong, the dirt will be much. The dirty will kind of harden the calculus, or the calculus is dirty in the mouth. So you need the hard brush to brush daily as and in a chain smoker. But somebody that is not smoking, what you need is medium brush. Like this one is medium. If you want to buy brush, just check it. Then for the soft one is for the children. And normal this thing, you think that the children's one is the one that is small.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It can be small, but definitely it's the small. The stick does not determine whether this is children's one or not. It depends on the brush. It depends on this. So if this is soft, that is for the children. If you use that one as a, maybe if you go to store and buy that soft one, you're brushing and you're not taking anything. Teeth is like this. So when you are brushing, some people used to brush like this. It's not wise at all, because the interproximal space is a space between the two teeth. If you are brushing like this, you are jam packing the dirty, the debris, the food debris. After eating, some of this food debris will be in your mouth. You pack it inside that interproximal spaces, that is space in between the teeth. So it's not the best time. You brush like this. You take time. Sometimes the pastes will be kind of tired, or somebody that's maybe learning it new, it might kind of uncomfortable for you. But you take time, you brush like this, you bring those things out, brush, 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 brush. Then you open your mouth, brush, brush. The upper one, just make sure you are brushing like this, not like this. You see some people, as if to say that they are kind of, they are fighting. Within a minute they are done. Just pour everything and go. No, it's not how to brush. And if you didn't take proper care of it, you start from this halitosis, tooth odor. When you talk, you be talking to somebody, be like, instead of the person to respond to you, the person will be like, the person cannot tell you that your tooth is smelling. It takes a courageous person, or maybe a close friend or a family relative, that will tell you that, my brother, your tooth is smelling.
Yeah.
So, but for you to notice it, you take good proper care of your tooth, so that when you are talking to people will listen to you very, very well. It will give you comfort. So that is one way you can take care of your tooth. If you don't brush properly, I have explained to you what it can cause. Another way, as after brushing, you see some people, I have been observant. You go to occasion, people will be like, they will give them a bottle of water, where is opener, no problem, no problem, then just open it. I have many complaints in the hospital, the place in my office. They be like, the tooth will break, or so sometimes the thing will break into two. Sometimes the thing will, all of them will come out, and the ache will be much, the blood and everything. You see yourself then, uh, because of what? You just want to open your tooth with this. It's not advisable. If you don't have opener, look for another means. You must even drink. If you must drink, but don't use your tooth to open. Don't use your tooth to chew hard something. Tooth is meant to chew soft something. That is why sometimes you cook your food very well, so that you masticate very very well. Because when your tooth break, though you tend to replace your tooth, but there is nothing that is as good as that your natural tooth. So that is the advice I'm giving on that is how you should not use your tooth to open drink opener. So it's very very wrong. So I don't know whether I have answered your questions.
So that most times there is something that normally confuses me anytime I eat like something that is very cold, or that is something that is very chilled, or something that is very hot. So most times this thing is confusing me. Like I want to know from the dentist to know whether something that is very cold or something that is very hot, is it something that can affect our teeth? Is it harmful to our teeth or not? So that's what I want to know now.
Okay, thank you for the questions. The normal thing is room temperature. If you want to take water, room temperature is okay. Very cold water is not good. Even in your system, is not good at all. Sometimes you notice it. If you take very hot something, your gums, the thing will affect you. You see that the thing will eat up your gums, and you feel the pain instantly. Then you check your aura, or your aura, your mouth. Your mouth have a temperature on its own. Sometimes when I remember, when you are small, if you bring some pear and put inside your mouth and close it, for sometimes the thing will be soft. Pear, if you notice that. So that to tell you that you have a temperature, kind of a warm temperature. Yes, we all know. If you are, I noticed it when I was small. So that to tell you that, our mouths have a temperature, have a certain temperature that is warm. But if you bring that particular very cold water, it thing will reduce the temperature to something like zero, if not. You notice a shock in your tooth. Sometimes sensitivity, but shock. At least anything you are eating, anything at all, it pass through your mouth. Anything that entering your body, it will pass through your mouth, then down to your system. Then your mouth will be the one to kind of regulate the temperature and everything, even when you are masticating. Then you're talking of that water. It's advisable you take a room temperature for your health and your even oral health. Take a room temperature. So that is the best things. Even when you after cooking, allow it to cool a little, then you eat. You see some people breaking ice, they will freeze their water, use their mouth, breaking it. Is not good. Please, let's try to avoid it. It's not good. It will affect our oral health. So if you must drink a cold water, it will be once in a while, but not that chilled, not that block. Please, let's try to avoid it. I advise to drink table normal room temperature water, or anything at all. Don't eat all this very cold something. Even sometimes ice cream, too cold is not, once in a while you can take it, is okay, but not all the time very cold something, or very hot. Room temperature is good and is advisable for your health. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Please, I would like you to press like and subscribe button. It will help in the YouTube algorithm. And at the same time, it will help YouTube to send notification to you anytime I upload a new video. Thank you.